I tell you what, one of my favorite things about motorcycling, hands down, is the community. To reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Yahoo! So this is the main street of Tamborine Mountain. Golden hour. G'day guys, Kwackajack here with another motovlog for you today. Super exciting start to the video, being stuck in traffic. But today, me and Dad are heading up to Tamborine Mountain. We're going to go send up the drone and get some cool shots. And we are taking you guys along with us. I know this is the quality content that you guys are used to on Kwackajack. Stuck behind a bus, breathing in them fumes. Love it. Yeah, so we kind of went the wrong way and got a little lost, but we're on the right track now. Alright, so it turns out that we don't know Nerang as good as we thought we did, and we got lost again. But now we have got directions. Thank you, Google Maps. On the bright side, we should get there for sunset, so that's good. You'd think with the amount of times I've been up to this place, I'd know where to go by now, but guess not. I tell you what, one of my favorite things about motorcycling, hands down, is the community. I know over in other parts of the world you guys give each other a little wave and stuff, but here in Oz, when we have our hands on the throttle, we give each other a little nod instead, and it's nice, you know? I appreciate that. Except when it's a Sunday and everyone's out and I'm nodding like this constantly. Wow, that's nice. Oh man, I want to kick it here, eh? Do you reckon anyone's up there? Hey, also, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel lately or jumped on board. At the time of recording, we're at 6,200 subscribers, and you know, that's absolutely phenomenal. I remember when I only had like 200, and we were talking about that in a vlog, so the fact that it's grown to that much so quickly is huge for me, and I really, really appreciate it. To say thank you, when we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Now, I can't give away bikes just yet, but let me tell you, it is going to be a good one, and you're going to want to be part of it. So when we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to do our first giveaway on the channel. There we go. Now we're back on track. Very steep climb ahead. Cannot wait. Look at that. Yahoo! Go on, mate. I'll stick back with Dad. Oh, come on, man, on a corner? Fuck's sake. This is a great road. I don't know if I've ever ridden this one before. Ooh, she's a bit chilly. Oh, my nips could cut through diamonds. Oh. Look at me, typical Queensland boy. As soon as it drops below 20 degrees, we're like, holy fuck, it's freezing. I know, we don't really have anything to complain about However, I will say that I think that our cold here is a different kind of cold to elsewhere. Because I've travelled a fair bit and I've experienced some cold. You know, I've been to the UK, and I don't know, the cold here in Queensland, when it does get cold, just seems a little bit different. Maybe I'm going crazy, maybe I'm just trying to justify me being a pussy, but who knows. Wow, so pretty! What the hell? I've never been to this part of Tamborine before. See, look, we were lost and now we are found. I love it when that happens, when you just sort of venture off and then you end up finding an amazing road. It's part of the freedom of a motorcycling. Now, I'm sure you could do that in a car, but you know, it's just different when you're on a bike. So there is lots of wineries up here on Tamborine Mountain. Also, random thought, why is it that I only seem to see fudge shops on top of mountains? Tell me this isn't just me, but I've never ever seen a fudge shop that was not on top of a mountain. I don't know. Is it something about the mountain air that just makes you want to make and eat fudge? I mean, I'm not complaining. I know where to go if I want good fudge, but I don't know. Random fudge thoughts. We got here eventually.
That was a different way in.
Huh?
That was a different way.
Yeah, it's pretty good, eh?
Yeah, I've never been up that way before.
Check it out. Yeah, that was a nice road. I'd never come up that way before.
Eventually got there.
Feel how much colder it got as soon as we got to the mountain? Alright, I reckon I'm going to send up the drone here. What a beautiful spot, eh? Beautiful spot, but fucking cold. Oh. Now we're going to head back down Tamborine through the usual way. We're going to go through the main street. That's a nice spot too. So this is the main street of Tamborine Mountain, sort of touristy area, and you know, on a weekend this place is absolutely packed. But we're here, fudge heaven. See? Treat shop, fabulous fudge. I don't know what it is, man. Something about living on a mountain makes people love fudge. Handmade chocolates. Wow. Golden hour. Look at that sunset. Wow. Honestly, I feel so lucky to live here in this place where there's just so many, you know, beautiful spots and great roads and great weather most of the year, it makes sense to me to just, you know, try and share as much of it as I can with you guys. Fuck, I could go for a pint and palmy right now. Alright guys, as we head back down, I want to say thanks for watching. Again, thank you for supporting the channel. Please do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We are growing super quick, and as we said earlier, when we get to 10k, we're going to do our first giveaway on the channel, and it's gonna be a good one. Till next time guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.